Hello, I'm back again. Today we're gonna try a new gate. We're just gonna try a new kit besides the Canon kit. And yes, you might hear some weird things because I'm just gonna be watching the kit while I'm waiting. Oh, let me lower the volume.
We can go mess them up.
Let's do Yeti.
He just uppercutted me.
There's only 3 kits I can get.
They're beating me up, lad. Open up the door.
Also, here's proof that I'm an OG. Has anyone if you watch my video, has anyone seen this emote, the first one you can get? Or there used to be called sprays actually.
You violated the law. I feel like the kid from Home Alone. We killed them and robbed them. We're living life.
And there was no lobby gadgets back then.
We went from moving into a new house and beating up people that are trying to kill us.
What if the cat's like the final boss?
I'm telling you that the cat is sus.
Yeah, why do you open him stop move, cat?
Just look at it. It's like PS1 cyberpunk graphics. Floating across the floor, man. He's a hoverboard. There's ice all over the road. Oh my god, you can leave the house.
Baba.
That's just Uncle P, man. He's friendly. Is it just us now?
I think it is.
Just 2 kids. Uncle P. What could go wrong?
One apple, one fluffy corn, one apple pie.
Well, we don't have time for that, Uncle P. We're going to the store. It says don't let. I'm assuming on the ice over there, right?
Not like this.
Oh, we got to be quick. Teddy bear. They're selling it. They're selling my teddy bear.
We worked out for these and no, they're just bringing it.
I'm dead. Bruh, we did. Yes. Let me up. Glacier Roar! La 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 la. I have balloons. Dun 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 dun. Dodging them bullets like a bee, so you know it. I have balloons. Nothing can stop me. Dun 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 dun. Yep. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I have Glaciarello. How did you pause? Stamp on your dad. 3, 2, 1, go! Pop! Epic. I'm just quickly get balloons. I also have a glacial roar, which makes every single block frozen, making it easier to break. And I think, oh, you gotta have good sportsmanship. You can't just be mean. Wait, is that a duck? Oh no, a duck! I'm actually scared. That's a duck. That duck's talented. Hey, that's mine. Did the duck fall? Oh no, it didn't. Dodging bullets, up a drum, I pull this off. Busting out a mesa. Oh yeah, Paco. Ah. Run. Uh-oh. Whoa. GG. That was such a disappointment for me. I actually have online class later on, so I just wanted to record this video before I start again. Yeah.
And also, I like your videos. Same like Among Us and Roblox. Did you just say Among Us? Well, not much. Also,
Laugh.
Among Us, see you later.
Do it to him.
See you later.
Among Us reference. That's awesome. By the way, so sneaky. Give me this. You want the meat? Give it here.
That's TV. We don't do that here.
That's not gonna get fucked up, huh?
You can cut in 4K last. You just took emeralds.
Oh, give me emeralds.
After, after this, I am going to switch kits back to Pirate Davy because Pirate Davy ended.
Did you just say you have a question? Yeah. Do I look like a teacher? We got some sauce though. Am I supposed to give you a grade? You want a grade? I'll give you a grade. I'll give you a grade. Where are you going? They're infiltrating. Corvette, if you want. Where's my team? They're all dead. I'm speaking from down. You're all dead. What did our finish? I don't remember. It died. We all died. Please don't do it. Okay, I'll give you 10,000 reasons. 1, I have dogs. 2,
Well, that's rip moment. Oh no!
join the strongest team.
Again.
That man is
GG.
I'm out of here. Could I still possibly win?
Come on, please.
Would you say pretty high? I'm going for blue. Who did this to us? Were you the one who broke our bet? The guy behind you! I'm going for red. Dun, 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 dun. Action music plays. Da-da-da! Da-da-da! Gamers, we need a game plan. Who invited this guy? Oh no, we already have a buddy. Think about it. Hey! You want with the pea color trying to attack us. I think we should kill the pea color team first, but they're going for our bed. They're going for our bed.
Oh, I'm so dead. GG's though.
We just lost their bed to the pea color bed. Sir, please don't do this. We already lost our bed. Do not destroy our home.
Socks, this is Gasman. I am officially dead.
The pea color killed us. Sucks all up to you. I have one goal only, and that's to kill the pea color. We're ending yellow for good. It's the pea color. No one likes you. You are literally pea. You are all literally pea. I do not. All right, gamers.
I heard the what?
Everybody, wait, laugh. Is that Albert Einstein?
That's Albert Einstein.
Is that Muppet?
Muppet, think about it. You're on the pea color. Just give up. Kill the guy in front of you. He did nothing for you, okay? He slept with your wife. You think that's gonna get
Are they gonna do what I think they're gonna do? What are you doing? Dead. If you wanna fight, then a fight it is you'll get. Alright, leave me alone. Lol, one block cancels 4 damage. Now you know how it feels to be me. It feels pretty weird. Oh yes, a spaceship, even though it's clearly not. La 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 la.
Hello, sir. I'm coming in peace. Do not hurt me. Tell them you know Fat Meme God. Sir.
Leave. What is he running? Why are you running, bro? You only run as soon as I'm here. You're dead.
We're talking strictly business, right? Yeah. No fighting. Nobody stay right there. We're staying right here.
Your generator. I mean, not your generator. I mean your shop.
Oh, she's British. No. Let go. Swag, are you British? Listen. I thought swag was a word, not a person. So you're telling me we've been calling people swag over a person? Oh my God, this is mind changing.
I'm almost done with this, so after this we're just gonna end the video because it's already 15 minutes and that's my limit for now. I mean, I already have it, right? So I don't really need 15 minutes literally, but you know, it is what it is. Yes, sir! What the heck? Oh. Let's go! I have balloons. I bought them. Come on, get me then. Get me then. Get me then, huh? Can you catch me? Don't think so. You just died. Yeah. Oh. Okay, finally. Did anyone see what I saw? They got a black bag, so they were lucky. Anyways, time to win this, I think. Now that I actually have protection, I think I might be able to win. I just save up for 4 emeralds, which will take a while. You're gonna win the war, dude. If you were going to, then we'd... Isn't there something called breaking blocks? GG, let's go! Roar! Anyways, that's pretty much the end. I finally got a dub with the Yeti Kit, and look, it's almost 20 minutes, but we're gonna end it here. And yeah, we're just gonna see you in the next video. Next video, actually, will be Sword Fighting Simulator again. So stick around for that. Alright, anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one.